Hey, how's it going? Hope you're doing well. So, in an effort to get rid of subtitles, I'm transitioning to doing occasional commentary. This is just to get rid of the annoying subtitles that kind of pop up throughout. So, this is just a test. Let me know what you think, and stay safe out there.
A little sideways. Love it.
So, another reason I've started to commentate is I've had numerous new riders, friends, and family that watch these videos. I'm kind of asked, what's your thought process when you're riding? What are some things that go through your mind? Commentary under the helmet. So this kind of just gives a general kind of hot mic inside the helmet and shows what my thought process is, or kind of what just pops in my mind as I'm enjoying riding. It's really all it comes down to for me. I really just enjoy kind of the controlled chaos of riding, and so that's kind of what my occasional outburst of happiness are, just pure enjoyment.
Don't know what's around here, so I'm gonna slow down. There's always a car parked here. Really bumpy on this inside line. Have to wide. It's so bumpy, it's hard to keep line. Obviously, it's not a track. Bumpy. Slip. Woo! Back it in. This is the fun speed for me. I think we got a little bit left on here.
Yeah, so anyways, for those of you that make it this far in the video, thank you for riding along. This was the end of a 240 plus mile ride, solo ride for me. So pretty exhausted after rides like this, usually maintaining that speed for the majority of the ride. But it's always worth it just to get out, enjoy the road, away from people, away from, streets, busy streets, and highways and stuff like that just aren't that interesting. So anyway, I appreciate you riding along, and stay safe out there.